Hello everyone. Today, we are going to make this beautiful crochet heart Rakhi. It's super easy to make and takes just 5 to 10 minutes. So, let's get started. First, make a magic ring. I am using a 2.0 mm crochet hook. Make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now make 3 treble crochet into the magic ring. One, 2, 3. Then make 4 double crochet into the ring. One, 2, 3, 4. Make 1 chain. Now, repeat the same pattern on the other side. Make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make the ring slightly smaller. Then 3 treble crochet. One, 2, 3, chain 4. Now make a slip stitch into the magic ring. Pull the yarn and close the circle tightly. Cut off the extra yarn. Again, pull the yarn to close the center properly. And tie a knot at the back. Cut off the extra yarn. Now take a long piece of thread. Cut one side of the thread. Fold the thread in half. Insert your crochet hook into the chain space of the heart and pull the folded thread through. Make a tight knot, just like shown in the video. In the same way, attach the thread to the other side of the heart. Add the beads. Insert the ends of the thread through the beads, as shown in the video. Pull the thread gently so the beads stay in place. Repeat the same thing on the other side. And your beautiful crochet heart Rakhi is complete. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy crochet tutorials.